think you all know his name. Tinashe to Mutarisi. Yo Tinashe Mutarisi Likabe. Yo King. I want you on stage here.
Ndakubirira maiki chino one. Anditi mazona kurwiswa kwatata kuitwa. Mambono kurwiswa kwatata kuitwa. Ndira kukutenda zvisingaite nekushingaira. Saka ndoda kungoti ndisati ndadzika kana. Pane chimwe chinhu one chavari kutinyepera. Vari kuda kuita kunge album redu risiri kunakidza. Saka ndoti ndikangoti album mobva mati riri kunaka. Are you ready? Are you ready? Album riri kunaka. Album riri kunaka. Album riri kunaka.
Shout out to my king, my father. Yeah. Engineers, I want you to work with me right now, yeah? You know the drill. You know what's about to happen right now. Your Nipster, are they ready? Yeah? Okay, I need 2 minutes of your time. Bear with me. I've got a special video that I'm about to play for you right now, yeah? Shall we Jerry Speak Fingers? Yeah, Jerry, link up here. Jerry, link up. You made everything work here. You made everything work today. Give us up the band. This is Jerry Spirit Fingers here. Your Basso. Shout out to you, my guy on the bass here. My drummer, I see you. A big shout out to you. Yeah. Alex Floew, Floew is coming through for his next segment here. Shout out to every blogger who was not hating on Floew. Zim Celebs, the original version. You Tech Celebs, Chitown Dokumba, Zim Celebini, Nash Nation, Nash TV. Are you ready? Engineers, are you ready? Play my feature right now, please. Can I get my feature right now? Can I get my feature? Mama Kelly, I see you.
King and the artists behind the Ma1. Thank you so much for the support. Did I know it was going to be a hit? Not necessarily.